In this video, I will be discussing the new image search function that Etsy has just rolled out and how it can benefit both buyers and sellers. So whether you are new to Etsy or a seasoned pro, this video is for you. Welcome back, everyone. And if you're new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Nancy Badillo, founder of the Etsy Mastery course, and I'm thrilled to have you join my community of Etsy sellers. Now, Etsy announced a new SEO change in November called the image search function. If you are an avid Etsy shopper or a seller on the platform, this update is going to change the way you search for products, and it's going to be a game changer for the platform as a whole. In this video, we're going to be discussing what the image search function is, how it works, and the impact it's going to have on the Etsy community. So without further ado, let's dive in. What is the image search function? Now, the image search function is a new feature that Etsy has recently rolled out. It allows users to search for products using images instead of keywords. This means that instead of typing in specific keywords to find products, you can now simply upload a photo of the product you're looking for, and the algorithm will find similar products on the platform. Now, this is a huge update for Etsy, as it's going to change the way people search for products on the platform. How does it work? The image search function works by using a technique called computer vision. Now, this is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to understand and interpret images. When you upload a photo to the image search function, the algorithm analyzes the image and compares it to the images of products on the platform. It looks for similar colors, shapes, and patterns to match the image to products on Etsy. The more specific the image, the more accurate the results will be. So what does that mean for your Etsy listing photos? You should focus on simple, minimalist photos that focus on the product with clear backgrounds. At least just for the main photo. All of the rest of your Etsy photos can be used in flat lays or have fancy backgrounds. Impact on the Etsy community. This update is going to have a huge impact on the Etsy community. For shoppers, it's going to make searching for products much easier and more efficient. Instead of trying to find the right keywords to describe a product, you can now simply upload a photo and find the exact product you're looking for. Now, this is going to save a lot of time for shoppers and make the overall shopping experience much enjoyable. Now, for sellers, this update is also going to have a big impact. With the image search function, buyers will be able to find products more easily, which will increase the visibility of products and ultimately lead to more sales for sellers. Additionally, the image search function will also improve the way products are curated for shoppers. By understanding the visual characteristics of products, Etsy can make a better recommendation and improve the overall shopping experience for shoppers. Who can use the visual image search function? Consumers with iOS users have access to the function by tapping the camera icon in the search bar in the Etsy mobile app. It allows shoppers to upload or take an image to see similar items available on the e-commerce marketplace. Now, the beta rollout will hopefully come to Android app users sometime soon. Now, let me show you from my iPhone how it works. The first thing you're going to do is log into your app, and on the right top corner, as you can see, it gives you the option to click the camera. From there, you're able to take a photo or choose a photo. So I actually took a photo of this vase in my office. I used this photo to upload it to the image search, and automatically Etsy is showing me additional vases that kind of are similar in style, in color. And this is how it literally works. It basically takes whatever photo you uploaded or took, and it gives you other images that are very, very similar to it. The image search function is a game changer for Etsy. It's going to change the way people search for products on the platform. and make the overall shopping experience much more enjoyable. Like I said earlier, it's going to have a huge impact on the Etsy community, increasing visibility of products and ultimately leading to more sales for sellers. I'm excited to see how this update would change the platform, and I can't wait to see the impact it has on our community. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on Etsy.